Say hello, Roman. Hello everybody and welcome back to Sarah's Abstract Expressions. My name is Sarah. This is not what I normally do. Normally I make fluid art, but today I decided to show you my studio. What's left of it. Kinda gotta fix some things. As you can see, I have no tables set up right now. I have been in the process of trying to get rid of a lot of stuff, hence all the garbage over here. I did get a new pack of canvases, as you can see. Do not like curbside pickup, found that out the hard way. I have to get rid of that wood paneling that's over there, as you can see. Wood paneling. And there's one of my tables. This is a workout bench. Emily has been sleeping on this quite regularly. And the whole reason this is the way this is because I need to finish doing stuff in here so I can get rid of these dressers and finish building a closet. Jeff was in the middle of doing that and kind of got distracted with some other stuff that's going on, but that's okay. More pour painting stuff. He got me this a few years ago for Valentine's Day. I thought it was cute. So now you know what I mean by I have to renovate my studio. I gotta add drywall and stuff. Get rid of this massive shelf. This is all I have for the basement stuff, so I am going to show you a video that I took about a week ago, and I will be back at the end. Don't mind the people. I was walking down this little trail that just goes up over there to a park, and there's this other trail that I'm going to take you down because Little Beaver Oasis, it's just right here. It's quite magnificent what she's created for herself. Oh, she's here. Oh, guys, she's here. Do you see her? She's right there. Oh my goodness. I didn't think I'd actually see her. Here you go, guys. This is a beaver. I can't believe she's right there. This is incredible. Hi, baby. I'm just gonna back away slowly. She doesn't even care. This is incredible. I don't want to go, like, that's her den right there. I don't want to go too close. I don't want to piss her off. Here you go. She's even chewing on a stick. Look at her go. I'm so amazed. And now there's squirrels everywhere. So this is a dam that she's created for the area, and she's made quite a bit of depth here, and it's washed up a lot, as you can tell. The creek is small. She doesn't even care that I'm here at all. I can talk, and she's just gnawing away on her stick. I think she knows I'm not gonna hurt her, which is amazing. I'm gonna leave you with her chewing away on a stick because I wasn't actually expecting to capture her today. Like a picture of her, a video of her nonetheless. You guys are extremely lucky. She's usually sleeping or hiding. I truly wasn't expecting to see that beaver there. I was so shocked, and the fact that she was so calm makes me think there's a lot of people there. I say she because, you know, all cats are boys or girls and all dogs are boys, that kind of thing. Everyone's like that. I find that it's kind of unanimous everywhere I go. So I am going to leave you with a challenge today. And what I mean by a challenge is, well, it's up to you. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments. I want you guys to take a break from all social media for the day, or external media for that matter. So no newspaper, no news channels, no TV, no social media, no YouTube, any of that. Just get rid of the news for the day. Because especially with how everything is being lately, I can't look at the news without personally having a panic attack. So I issue you a 24-hour no external media challenge. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. Like I said, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.